guys, man, we are at day 2 of the Hyper Accelerator program. I tell you what, I am not only exhausted, but I'm exhausted in a good way. It has been a power-packed day. Honestly, the last 2 days has been pretty power-packed and pretty intense. Today was crazy. It was crazy in a good way. We focused on really diving into buyers personas and just doing a lot of things that I would say just put me in a situation that as an entrepreneur I'm not in. And I think that's one of the cool things about this program. Being able to be in a situation with an investor where that investor is actually mentoring me real time, and having us be in a scenario where we're figuring out different buyers personas for my own company, because that's basically what we did today. It's pretty cool. And started off, woke up at like 6 in the morning. It's 6 now. It's pretty intensive. Surprised I even have energy to talk to you guys right now, straight up. But look, that's what this life is all about. That's the entrepreneurship life. That's the entrepreneurship grind. I'm here for it, and I tell you what, it's been quite an experience so far, and we're only in day 2. So interested to see what the other days are going to look like. This accelerator program, they've been bringing in some really awesome instructors, coaches, investors, mentors, whatever you want to call it, and it's been fun so far. So day 2 looks like it's winding down, and guys, appreciate you guys being part of this journey. As I mentioned, it was really power packed, and we'll see what day 3 brings. All right, over and out.